about 6 years ago at a bar called Copa in Juhu. And it's so funny because that's the first time I met Ritesh. And I thought to myself that, oh my god, this guy is so funny but also so full of himself that it's going to be very difficult to be friends with him. But I actually met him that day. I don't know, I had mixed feelings about what I felt about him, but he had a nice heart and a good vibe which I could totally sense.
I definitely, I mean, she's a very beautiful woman, right? So when I saw her, I liked her, and I was like, okay, this is a very beautiful girl, and I would definitely want to, like, you know, date her, and I like her. And I had one of those moments where I was just looking at her, and I was like, yeah, this is the one. Like this, I would like to spend the rest of my life with this girl.
क्या करूं बताना मुझको ना अब तो ऐसे तू सताना सब करे जो देखे दोनों ने मिलके उन ख्वाबों की बातों को गाते जाऊंगा देखण ਨੂੰ चुक चरखा गली दे विच पावा वे लोका पानी मैं कतदी तंग तेरिया यादां ने पावा वे माइया तेरे वेखण ਨੂੰ
I've known Ritesh for 13 years now, and in that time we have gone from absolutely hating each other to being very close friends to absolutely loving each other to absolutely
Amen.
being completely disengaged from each other to again being good friends.
I think that in my time knowing y'all, it's been a journey. I think we've all grown individually as people, and nothing fills me better in my heart to understand that both of you all are perfect for each other. There are very few people that I think that have that fit each other so perfectly like you and Anisha do. Right. Anisha is someone who's filled with so much joy and love and excitement and happiness, and I think she balances out everything that.
Anisha, I think the first reaction I had was, oh my god, she's too good to be true. And it is amazing that over the past 4 years that I've seen her, it is true. I mean, she is too good to be true, and we're so lucky to have her.
She's a very active and very energetic girl.
I think more than her beauty, her heart is so kind and so nice. It's amazing.
Anisha told me, I was like, okay, Anisha, I think he's the right guy for you. So the only person I can ever share Anisha with is Ritesh. Only Ritesh. Love you, Ritesh.
क्या बोलेंगे यार उनको, बोलो खूब इंजॉय करो, खाओ पियो ऐश करो और क्या करना है. इंजॉय, हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम, लिव लाइफ द वे इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी लिव्ड, डोंट फ्रेट एंड फ्यूम, enjoy. Every moment of the day is to be enjoyed.
I think the best thing about Anisha is her heart. I would have to say that. I think it's she's got a very, very rare heart. I mean, she's so loving. It took me a long time to even accept that someone can actually be this loving. Yeah, for a long time I used to think it's a show until I really got to know, and I was like, so that I think that's her best quality.
Life is better when I'm with you. Ready to go with all the lies before us. Now that we know will guide us through the night. A beautiful hope, a reason to believe is what you get.
One specific moment where I felt he's the right guy and I want to spend the rest of my life with him. But then the more I spent time with him, the more I fell in love with him, and I decided that if I have to spend my life with somebody, it's got to be someone like Ritesh, because he's my best friend and I love him and I can talk to him, I can be myself with him, and it's just the amalgamation of so many small moments, and then in my heart I just knew that I have to marry this guy.
First impression about Ritesh, anger. मेरी लड़की को भगा के ले जा रहा है. Yeah, the first time I saw him, I was like angry with him. Not with him, with my daughter. क्या कर रहे हो? किसके साथ घूम रहे हो? Normal father instincts. But when I saw him, I met him, I thought he was just wonderful. I loved him after that.
खोजे यार नु कमले दर दर जाकर सुन यार नु लब ना पाया इश्क हिजर किताबी गल्ला तेरा यार तरफ में समाया वो तेरा यार तरफ में समाया तेरा यार तरब में समाया तेरा यार तरब में समाया.
I have only fond memories of my daughter. I absolutely love her, and I think anything and everything that she did was my favorite moment. She was a delightful child.
ਭਿੱਜ ਭਿੱਜ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਠ ਪੜਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਯਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਤਬੀਬ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਹਰਲੀ ਪੀੜ ਖੁਦਾਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਛ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ
ਮੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੱਬ ਜੋਗੀ ਬਣ ਆਇਆ
Mom, I told you on the dance floor last night, and Dad, I told you too, that I will always take care of her. You've placed a lot of trust and faith in me by letting me marry your daughter, and the one thing I will make sure is I never let that trust down. That I can promise you.
And they're my favorite couple, my favorite bachas, and heartiest congratulations to the girls and the Maheshwaris.
और हमारी तरफ से सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Congratulations भैया and भाभी.
Anisha and Ritesh, congratulations. May you have an amazing life ahead.
Keep the inner child alive. That's what you fell in love with about each other.
Ritesh's best quality is his caring nature. He is way too caring, and that's what I love most about him, because I always wanted to be with somebody who would be sensitive and caring, and those are like 100 on 100 in Ritesh. That's his best quality.
So excited for you guys to start your new journey together. I've seen you guys grow with each other, for each other, and just love each other unconditionally, and it gives me hope, and I'm just very happy. I can't wait to see you guys in London, and I can't wait to give you guys like a really nice tight hug. Until then, cheers to you both. Cheers to love and to my favorite couple and love stories coming true.
Today